Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Beard again, and I'm here today for another math lesson. Today, you're going to learn about halves. Oh my goodness, that's a big word. Listen again. Halves. Can you say halves? Great job. This word right here is halves. Halves means there are two equal parts. Can you say two equal parts? Great job. Okay, we learned about equal yesterday. That means the parts are the same. So look at my cookie right here. Right now, that's two pieces. They are the same. Would you want to share that cookie with me? Yes, you wouldn't want to share it if you got a small piece. Each of my shapes are in two pieces that are the same. So they are halves. Can you say halves? Great job. Okay, so I need your help. You're going to learn another word. It's called partition. Can you say partition? Partition means to cut the shapes into pieces. So I want to partition these shapes into halves. So right here I have my square. Are you ready? I got my tricky pants on. Here we go. Did I make it into halves? No way! Miss Beard made that into unequal parts, so that is not halves. Let me get my eraser. I've got to erase my error. Whoops. Okay, so now let's see. I want to make it into halves. Would you call that halves? Yeah, me too. Great job. They're both equal pieces. Now, when you divide shapes or partition shapes, you can make them different ways. So we could go sideways, but we could also go up and down. Great job. Okay, now what about the circle? I could cut the circle into two equal parts. I could cut sideways, or I could cut up and down, or I could even cut across and still make it into two equal parts, which are called halves. What are they called? Halves. Good job. Okay, now look at my rectangle down here. I can cut it in, or partitions, into two equal parts going this way, or I could make my two equal parts going up and down. And what's the last way? I could make it going across. Great job, guys. Okay, so today for your work, you're going to be completing, let me pull it up, this halves paper. I want you to color the shapes that have been cut into half. I'm also going to have you partition shapes into half. Great job. See you later.